Kia ora! Let's look at how to enroll online. The first step is to complete and apply to enrol form via the website. You will need a valid email address to register. If you don't have one, you can create a free email address at domains such as Google and Microsoft Live. Use the Apply Now button on the website to access the online form. To start, you use your email address to register for an account on our application website. You need to choose a password of at least 8 characters. Then, once you have registered, you can access the form by selecting the Apply button. To complete your form, you will need to have on hand personal details, details of your previous education, your national student number, or your Awanuiarangi student number. You can exit the form at any time if you don't have the information available. You can then use your email and password to return to the form to complete and submit it. During the online process, you can also upload a photograph of your birth certificate, passport, and previous qualifications. These photographs should be in JPEG or PDF format. Providing this proof of identity will speed up the process of your enrolment. It is important that you complete all sections on the form. Read and review the fine print. Read the terms and conditions of your enrolment and tick the necessary boxes to accept them. Sign your form and submit. If we need more information or if you need to have an interview with a kaiako, we will be in touch with you by telephone or email. Otherwise, we will let you know the outcome of your application. If your application is successful, we will email you an offer of place and a course selection form. Once you have accepted your place and chosen your course, your enrolment will be confirmed. If you want to speak to us about your application, please ring us on 0508 926264. We look forward to welcoming you as a tauira.